Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Switch the Instagram account to professional if it isn't already, because Business Manager requires that role. Next, open business settings in Facebook Business Manager. You must be an admin of the business and the connected Facebook page. Once done, prepare the Instagram credentials and ensure two-factor authentication is accessible. This prevents lockouts during connection. Now, go to Accounts, Instagram Accounts to begin adding the account. You'll log in when prompted. You'll add the account by clicking Add in Instagram Accounts within Business Settings, then enter the Instagram username and password. If two-factor authentication appears, approve it immediately on the device tied to the account, because skipping it will block the connection. After login, assign the Instagram account to the correct business and link it to the Facebook page under Page Settings for shared inbox and ad usage. Make sure the Instagram role reflects who manages content and ads, so permissions work as expected. Finish by verifying the new connection in Business Settings. You should see the Instagram account listed and linked to the page. Test functionality by creating a draft post or assigning an ad role to ensure permissions propagate. This confirms content and ad tools will work. If the connection fails, recheck that Instagram is professional, that you're an admin in Business Manager, and that two-factor authentication is approved. Lastly, remove any conflicting Instagram account from the page and retry the ad flow. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.